Shri Bhagwati, Present, Leak Testing Machine. A leak testing machine is a specialized piece of equipment used to test the integrity of sealed products or containers by detecting any leaks or defects in their packaging. This process is crucial in industries where product containment and quality assurance are paramount, such as food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, automotive, electronics, and more. The leak testing machine is equipped with sensors that can detect pressure changes, gas concentrations, or other indicators of leaks. These sensors are connected to a detection system that monitors and analyzes the data. If a leak is detected and the tested component does not meet the specified criteria, the machine may have a mechanism to automatically reject or segregate the defective components from the production line. In summary, a leak testing machine is a critical tool in ensuring the quality and safety of sealed products. It detects leaks and defects in packaging, helping industries maintain product integrity and meet regulatory standards. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.